You can move and position content blocks to different locations on a page, blog post, event, or product's additional information. From the home menu, navigate to the desired page, hover over the page content, and click the edit button that appears. Hover your cursor over the block you want to move. An outline will appear around it, and your cursor will turn into a hand. Click and drag it to the desired location on the page. To move a text block, hover over the side of the block until you see the same hand. You can use the black insert markers to create columns and rows in your page. This will create a column, and this will create a row. You also can have text wrap around a content block. Just click and drag another content block over a text one. The insert mark will appear as a gray box to indicate where you can float the block. Once you release it and it's placed accordingly, click Save. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.